Hello everyone, my name is Kristina. Now I want to storytelling about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Most of us remember the cherished Cinderella as our most favorite character for decades. There are many more fabulous and cheering fairy tales featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable and cherished imaginary characters live forever in everyone's hearts. One such beautiful and attractive girl is Princess Rose. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird is one of the unforgettable, and the tale of the Princess Rose is here. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly and she loved and adored the roses. One glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evenings. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing song where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making the sound, saying the beautiful hair of the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. While people lived peacefully, a wicked witch came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing, saying the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and was so worried. So that's all for my storytelling about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Thank you and goodbye.